Wizard Fox. He's a wizard fox. Is he a good boy? He's a wizard, a good boy. Yes, he is. He's such a good fox. Such a good boy. Oh, he's such a good boy. He just wants some lovins. He just wants some lovins. He looks so fluffy in his winter coat coming in. Yes, he does. Look at him. Look how handsome he is. Such a handsome boy. You giving me lovins? Aw, this is a sweet boy. He's giving me lovin'. Aw, such a good boy. Yes, such a good wizard fox. Ouch! That hurt! That hurt! You can't bite my knee. No, don't bite me. Fun fact, foxes have scent glands in their cheeks. So when they're rubbing their cheeks on you, like he was just doing, they are marking you. Yes, Wizard says that I am his. He's such a good boy. You get your belly. I get the wizard belly. Oh, such a good fox. Yes, I'll get the wizard's belly. I'll get a wizard's belly. I'll get a wizard belly. I get a wizard belly. Oh, I love a wizard. Yes, I do. He's a blizzard, and I love you. Oh, what? 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 He's a rotten boy. Get it? Get it?